Hey, it's AKAJK and today I have another vlog on the channel. In this vlog, it's the third day of Ramadan and the third day of me doing like this kind of daily vlog streak. Obviously I do upload daily all the time unless I've got some sort of major issue or I just skip an upload or something like that. But anyway, I was saying 3 days in a row where there were only vlogs. I think I've reiterated this line multiple times, but if you do not know what Ramadan is, or you're still confused, go and check out my first Ramadan vlog titled What is Ramadan in the cards above, either in the left or right, just so you just get some, you stupid chair, just so you can get some context on what's going on. So if I take a look at this, this has been featured multiple times. These are a bunch of exams that I have, and this here is an exam guide, just so it kind of tells you the exams that I have, what I need to study, things like that. So science, Spanish, geography, history, everything I need to study is all on here. The main sort of exam I would say is science. It's pretty massive. That's one of the science, this is the science textbook. We don't tend to use it so much, but I think it's useful for revision. So I decided to summarize this science textbook in some sheets on Google Slides. And by some I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 sheets, and I've only done 2/9 of what I need to do. So anyway, I've even outlined how annoying this is. See how terrible life is on end of year exams. Oh my lord, the face is blown out, god. Bring it in. Yep, so that is pretty much what I have to deal with. And yeah, now I've got to start revising, but I have to have a shower first. Oh man. And I still have this disgusting carpet. I mean, the carpet looks nice, but in this kind of room situation, which is pretty white and sort of brown, sort of cute. Okay, I hate this sheet. I never want to see this one again. This green bed sheet needs to leave. And I hate. How does Casey use this sort of focus? I do not understand. I mean, on the face tracking, it's good. Just. Okay, I think I need to go and have a shower. And I think I'm pretty insane right now. I haven't had a coffee. I haven't had a shower. So yeah, let me just. Okay, so the shower is now complete, but I am missing one thing. Where are you? There we go. Okay, now I'm actually ready to start the day. Whilst I was wondering, do you dislike it when I'm looking at the monitor? Because I really hate it when people just look at the screen. Now, or like this. I mean, usually I'm supposed to be looking like this. Sometimes I look like this, and I'm just wondering how annoying it is. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Just quite close to the like button, and the subscribe and notification bell. Pretty much a very big coincidence. Okay, so now I'm at the desk, but I do need to sort some things. So these papers, fine, we'll keep them here for the time being.
The number you are calling is out of reach. Please try again later.
Well, they screwed me up on the call, so yeah, I've just got to get back to working. I'm so goddamn hungry and I want to stop working. But I mean, the grind is just has to go on, so I don't drop my grade to like an F. But yeah, gotta keep on working. It's just getting crazy, and it is 1:58. Well, 1:59 right now, and Fator is that means that we have roughly 4 hours to go until iftar. Just pretty lit. Okay, actually that's not lit. For 4 hours and a half, or nearly 5 hours, is too much to wait for me. So I'm just gonna go and sit down and cry while doing my science work. I've also been intending to work on this shelf area here. I mean, it's pretty messy, but I haven't had the time to do it. Obviously, too much work. So if you have any ideas of what to do with this shelf, then let me know in the comment section down below. Current time it looks like this, pretty messed up, got those hair products there. This desk I intend to make into this sort of Marvel Lego setup kind of thing, where anything that I have relating to Marvel goes there. I mean, I should take this stuff off. This is messed up. I mean, overall the room looks decently tidy, except for that kind of bed situation there. It's not too messy, I can sort that out. But I just want to make this look nicer. Maybe add some RGB lights or something. I need to take that down, that's completely outdated. This is a nice photo. This is nice, and then I don't know what the hell to do with the rest of this wall. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I think I've asked you guys to comment quite a bit during this video. But anyway, just let me know in the comment section down below. Smash the like button, subscribe to notifications. Time to go back and do more science. .242, and I am still revising science. I'm listening to Guardians Galaxy music, so oh, that was dizzying. You know, mentally unstably weird. It was just weird. Anyway, I took a break from working, so yeah, you can see it's paused. That's paused. I've been watching some YouTube videos, and I stumbled upon this really cool thing. So there's a film director called Edgar Wright, and he has directed Baby Driver, which has grossed a ton of money worldwide in the box office. Many of you should know Baby Driver. It's a pretty famous film. Basically, Edgar Wright uses a lot of quick cuts or fast cuts, and I want to incorporate that into the vlogs because it just looks amazing. So you can see some examples in like Casey's vlogs and people like that, but I want to try and do the way that Edgar Wright does it. So I'll show you some clips from the way that he does it.
Nicholas, Frank again. One other thing about your cottage, it's not ready.
That's kind of how he does his quick cut editing. Pretty fast, it engages the audience, and it sort of brings an entire long period of time, which is kind of doing mundane, boring things, and makes it in like 5 seconds, where the audience can know what's going on in the shortest amount of time possible while they're still enjoying it, so they're not dragging on anything. Essentially keeping everything to the point in the shortest amount of time. That's what I'm trying to do right now, okay? So yeah, I'll have a few tries, and then eventually I should try and get better of it, kind of get better at it over time, and hopefully I can become like Edgar Wright legit over time. Honestly, the way that he does that, those fast cuts are pretty amazing, and yeah. So if you are a long-time AKAJK fan, you would know that I am a complete obsessive Marvel fanboy, and Deadpool 2 came out 2 days ago, and I still haven't watched it, which for someone like me is crazy. It was mainly due to these exams. Also, Ramadan, cinemas open like at 7. So when my dad comes back, I'm going to try and convince him to let me go to Deadpool 2. Probably go with my cousin. And if we do, then it turns to a depressing day, upside down, with Deadpool's crazy humor. If you've watched Deadpool 2 already, then let me know what you thought of it in the comment section down below. Please, no spoilers. Any spoiler comments, I will delete them as fast as I can. So yeah, please don't do it. Just be wary that there are other people that haven't seen the film. So yeah. Also, I've been told that it's a really amazing film, so you can go check it out. I do recommend you do, just according to other people's recommendations. And yeah, I'm going to try and watch it ASAP. Right, so I'm on the treadmill right now. I'm just kind of on the sides, so I'm going to jump on. Yeah, let's go. It's walking. I forgot that I was on walking mode. I thought I was on running mode, so I was pretty scared about this camera. And yeah, I am doing exercise. I just finished watching Infinity War like for the third time. I watched it with my mom this time, and she liked it. Now it is 6:30, so it's like 20 minutes away from Thor. And if you still don't know what Thor is, go check out my What is Ramadan vlog in the cards above. And yeah, let me complete this run. Okay, I'm done. I've been like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna have a pretty quick shower so that I can get back in time and have iftar. So I have been studying science for the last 2 hours. Now it is 10 o'clock in the evening, or 10 p.m. I'm going to be heading off to sleep right now. Tomorrow I have school. I finished all the biology topics. So there are 3 biologies, 3 physics, 3 chemistry. So tomorrow, after tomorrow, and the third day, I'm going to be working on chemistry, and then the next 3 days on physics, and then afterwards sort of recapping, doing some exams, sort of practice past papers and stuff like that. Anyways, the grind is crazy, and I hope I will see you again tomorrow on the vlog, because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.